Introduction. Hi friends, today I want to talk about a truth that can change your life. Often we blame circumstances, fate, or others for our failures, but the reality is that the key to your success lies within you. Point 1. Change your mindset. Friends, if you want to change your life, you must first change your mindset. Your thoughts shape your reality. If you see yourself as a failure, you will fail. But if you see yourself as successful, success will become your destiny. Every great person wins in their mind first, before they achieve success in reality. Point 2. Learn from failures. Don't be afraid of failure because it is the first step toward success. Thomas Edison failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. If he had given up, the world would still be in darkness. So, learn from every failure, recognize your mistakes, and try again with a better approach. Point 3. Hard work and patience. Success comes to those who never give up. Even if you make small efforts every day, one day you will reach the destination you dream of. Patience, persistence, and consistency. These 3 things will lead you to your goal. Point 4. Believe in yourself. Friends, the greatest power in the world is self-belief. If you have confidence in yourself, no force in the world can stop you. You can achieve success in any field as long as you believe deep in your heart, I can do this. Conclusion. The lesson for today is that success doesn't come from the outside. It comes from within. Change your mindset, learn from failures, work consistently, and believe in yourself. Allah has created every person for a special purpose. You are special, you are great, and you can be successful. Thank you.